Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of August 3rd, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term stock price direction for swing trading to make bigger profit potential. Last week, the market in sideways correction and continue to hold up at the level of support and be able to break out on Friday after the big earning report from Apple, Amazon, Facebook. Even though we see a record of coronavirus and the uptick of the Yup Less Glam report. But the Fed come out and then they confirm to support and help the economy to recover. And we also see the June durable goods better than expected, and home sale is also up 13.8%. And last week, the gold and cryptocurrency rallying as we expected, as I showed you on the chart last week. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology before you buy and predict where it will go next. This is the only technical skill that you need to learn before you start buying any stocks. And you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will continue to mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time so that you can survive in this volatile market. This week we will continue with the middle of earning report. The market will move faster and we will focus on a lot of sectors like internet, e-commerce, cybersecurity, and gold, which we're going to go to a couple of them later. Before that, let's look at the index to see where we're at because this is where all the stuff will follow the index. So first of all, we look at the SBY, the Spider SB 500 ETF. As you can see here, so the market it come back down on Friday, and then they push it back down, but the market is already at the level of support. So they pull it back down and then they push it back up. A lot of people out there after they thinking that all the good news about Apple, Amazon, Facebook, they have a good earning report. So a lot of traders out there, they don't know they jump in. They think that the market is going to go up, but and then they slam it down. So when they slam it down to the level of support, which is the buy zone, we already PD5, and then the market is taken up and then run it up even faster and break the high on Friday. So if you can see on the chart here, I draw the buy zone, sell zone every day here for you. It's not just I just draw it because I like it. This is the whole psychology level that you have to learn and understand on the candlestick formation. This is why Japanese they successful by using this format for a long time on their trading. And in trading, stock market is the same thing. You have to understand why it do buy zone and sell zone. If you are a member of Stock Navigator, you should be able to identify and see this one is ahead of the time. So the market go up here, they retest back to the sell zone. But this time here, you can see that the market go up, they test, they fail, they go to the buy zone, they push it back up to the sell zone, they come back to the buy zone. Now they find a way to get out and go higher. And if you look at the E-mini ES, you can see that after run up, the market hit to uh, the sell zone, and now they go to pull it back down to so people take some profit, and then they pull back down before they were able to find a way to get back up. So right now we are not too far away from the all-time high. So all we need to do is get a couple more move. This is the big gap when at the end of February the market it gap down, and this is the big gap here, and this is the all-time high. So we are only a few hundred point on the ES, and only right now at 227.20. If we be able to break this level, we will get to test the all-time high, which is in this area around here. And the YM is also weak compared to the other index. You can see here they put it back up, they put it back down, but they hold up. Now they get back, tap to the resistance again, to the sell zone. So they have to pull back to gain some momentum before they be able to break out and go higher. The NQ, it's very strong. The technology stock have been pushing the market. They are the one that lead the market to go up or go down. So on Friday they push it back up. Now they get stuck in the sell zone again. So definitely they have to pull back down before they can find momentum to take another move in the upside. The Russell 2000 is also sideways in the downside. So they go back here, they get to the resistance, so they have to pull back down before they can get up higher. Gold, it have a good week last week. You can see that they run up very strong. So right now they are still in the uptrend, but they may hit one of the short-term resistance here. So we need to see how far they can go up here, and then we can see they be able to continue to push it back up, or they have to pull back down a little bit to gain some more momentum before they can go higher. The oil market is still in the sideways market. They are still go up, they pull back down. So they are more likely in the sideways correction right now. The euro it also have a good week last week, and then as you can see here, the momentum is shifted back up, but they hit to the resistance here, so probably they come down, they push it back up, and then they push it back down. And the bond market it also try to push it back up in the upside, so they finish the move here. So right now they pull back down, so probably they pull back up. And if the market it push it back down, this one have a little bit more momentum. Other than that, they will pull it back down. Okay, that's the direction of the bond. The cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, it still have a good week after the breakout here. They run up very fast. So right now they hit to the resistance. So they need to build a base here, and then let's see it. If they break out, they will continue to go higher. So right now they hit to the double top here. They pull back down here. So we want them to pull back or go sideways to keep the momentum here before they can start breaking out and find the way higher. So if you look at the a couple stock that we are talking about, so right now, so first of all, this week we will focus on a couple of sectors like internet, e-commerce, cybersecurity, and gold. So talking about cybersecurity, that's the high subject last week. So a couple of stocks they doing well. Let's say the PANW. So that's a Palo Alto network right here in my hometown. So they are doing very well. So right now they are still in uptrend. They try to find a way to break out and hit to the top. And we're talking about a gold stock. The gold stock at Eldorado Gold is still performing very well. So they are still find a way. They still have some room for the upside. And a couple internet e-commerce stock, they after run up, they pull back down. So they found a support. Now they try to run it up. And TAP, this is another one. After they run up, they come back down. They found a support. Now they find a way up. And a couple of stock that is still performing very well for e-commerce home product. They are still doing very well. All right, so this is all I have for you this week, and let's see where the market is heading next. Okay, we hopefully they will go sideways here a little bit and find a way to break out. And this is the big vacuum here. We can break out this level. We will find a way to test the all-time high. So let's see what the market heading to. So thank you very much for watching. And if you like what I'm doing here, please give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know and update for you every day. And if you want to learn more about technical analysis, how to read the chart before you can take any trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching and good luck to you. See you in the next video.